Hello everyone, Brian Richards here and welcome back to my channel, and it's time to learn another magic trick. Today I'm going to teach you a trick that combines math, a math principle, with actually a magic principle. And when you combine the two, it actually makes this trick a pretty amazing fuller. It's called Royal Party. So get out a deck of cards and let's get into today's tutorial. My friends, here we go. We have some royalty. We have the 4 jacks. Don't they look so nicely dressed? And then we, of course, have the 4 queens. Don't they look so pretty? We have the 4 kings. Don't they look so kingly? And then, of course, we have the 4 aces. Aren't they slick? But what we're going to do is we're going to gather them and we're going to give them a little shuffle. Just total little bit of a mix up here like so. And what we're going to do is we're now going to divvy out these cards again. And even though they've been shuffled, what you're about to see is pretty crazy. With just a little snap in the middle. Did you see it? They all went back to their own. Check it out. The aces are all together. The jacks are all together. The queens are all together. And yes, the kings are all together. All right, so here is the secret to this trick. The secret to this trick is it's just a math trick, and it's really just a pattern. All you're doing is you're putting out the jacks, okay? Then on top of the jacks, you're just gonna put the queens. Doesn't matter which queens. And then you're gonna put the kings on top of the queens, and then you're gonna put the aces on top, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're gonna pick up the pile, each pile, and you're gonna put one on top of the other. It doesn't matter the order, but just don't mix up each individual pile. You're just putting the piles on top of each other. Now, by doing that, you've created a pattern. Every 4th card is going to be exactly the same. And so if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's gonna go like jack, queen, king, ace, jack, queen, king, ace. But here's the part that really fools your audience. When you combine a math trick with, let's say, a fake shuffle, and in this case, all I'm doing is cutting the deck. Cutting the deck would be where you take about a portion off the top and you put it on the bottom. However, if you do it like this, where you just kind of spread them in your hand, it looks more messy and it looks a little bit more like you're just kind of shuffling the cards. So whatever I take from the top, I put on the bottom. I just kind of spread them, split it. Whatever I take from the top goes to the bottom. This just looks to your typical audience like you're really mixing up the cards. And this, by the way, is totally what really fools your audience. When they see this, they're like, wait a minute. He or she was shuffling those cards. How did it turn out that they were all together in the end? So when you're done, all you're gonna do is you're gonna put out the cards in the same way. So I do a Z formation. 1 here, then 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Then 1 here, again, Z formation. Back, do it. You gotta make sure you divvy them out exactly the same way. And if you've done that, act like you're doing some magic, and look, all the jacks are together, all the queens are together, all the kings are together, and yep, all the aces are together. Pretty cool, right? Well, if you enjoyed this trick, be sure to hit like and do subscribe to my channel. I would so appreciate it. That helps me to know to make more videos like this. But anyway, I do have to go. I see over here, there's a dog that's looking at me, and she's looking at me like she has to go out and go pee-pee. I should probably go.